Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And this will allow you to browse securely and privately while taking advantage of Cloudflare's fast network. So first, what you will have to do is go to developers.cloudflare.com, or you can search for Warp download on Google, and then you will basically be redirected to this link. And then after that, what you will have to do is open the installer, which is right here, download latest stable release. So just click this button right here, and then the installer will be downloaded. And then you may need to allow it through Windows security prompts. And then after that, you will just have to click install, and the installation may take a few minutes, and then you will just have to open the Warp app and click connect, and then you will see a status indicator changing to connected. And the next, after that, you will just have to go to the settings and click preferences if you want to enable Warp Plus for faster speeds or configure advanced options. And finally, you will just have to test your connection by visiting any website or checking your IP in an IP lookup tool, and you should see traffic routed through Warp. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.